I'm comfortable being on camera, but as soon as someone else sees me, I'm like, oh my god, so embarrassing. Good morning, everyone. I think for today, I just want to do some yoga, maybe go on a walk. Ooh, maybe I can go on a walk to the beach and do yoga at the beach. That could be fun. Okay, I'm liking that. Oh, that's a lot of effort. If I say it's for a video in my head, then I'll do it. The one thing that I miss about Canada is that when you're walking down the street, if you make eye contact with someone, then you'll say hi. And you'll acknowledge their presence, you know? You don't really get that here. Just a little cultural difference. Okay, I wasn't hiking for very long, but I think I finally got right to the ocean. Oh my god, this trail is just so beautiful. There's a bird that I almost kicked. Like, it got so close to my foot. Does anyone know if there's any like poisonous things in Portugal? Because like I am just climbing through the wilderness, so I feel like I should know if there's some things to be looking out for. I don't know if I should go down here. Yeah, let's do that. I'm just gonna toss that down. Okay, so I finally got to the beach and now I'm just gonna set up and start my yoga. Found some coral. It's really pretty, but it is sad that it's not in the ocean and, you know, living. My goal right now for YouTube is I want to get 100 subscribers because I want to have a custom URL, and in order to do that you need 100 subscribers. Other people are here, so I'm gonna go. My mom would get like, some of the videos that she still has of us that are up would get like 5,000 views, which is honestly pretty good. And especially in like 2006 when it was posted, like getting that amount of views, it was pretty good. So I was just always used to it, and I just don't understand when I got like so cautious of, I'm comfortable being on camera, but as soon as someone else sees me, I'm like, oh my god, so embarrassing. But I think that's just society being a bit. I saw this thing and okay, you can't really see. I'll try to do it on my knees. But you can put your yoga mat through your backpack like that. Oh, nice! I look like I'm ready to go on an adventure. If you're wondering why you're slanted right now, it's because I'm using this little area here. That is it for today's video. I'm so sore right now. I'm doing an Alexis Ren ab and butt workout challenge to do it every day for a week and see what my results are. That's gonna be my next video, so stay tuned for that. But my body is in so much pain right now. Make sure you like and subscribe because I really want to hit 100 subs. I don't know. Right now I'm at like 26 or something. So what's a realistic time frame? I'm gonna give myself 2 months. Okay, so in 2 months, what month is it? January, February, March. So in March, I expect to have 100 subscribers. So please, if you made it this far, subscribe because I just really want to change my URL. It's kind of really annoying that you need that many subscribers. That's a rant for another time. Thank you for watching this video.